Welcome back. You're watching Business Lunch. Now, the Supreme Court, in a landmark judgment, has upheld the abrogation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir as constitutionally valid. Now, the Apex Court also directs the centre to restore the territory's statehood at the earliest. It's a big judgment. Ashmit Kumar joins us with all the details of this. Ashmit, tell us.
Well, a landmark judgment coming in from the top court, the 2019 exercise, the abrogation of Article 370, contentious, polarizing issue being decided finally. The Supreme Court upholding that abrogation, saying there's nothing wrong with it. And this decision coming by a bench of no less than 5 judges, headed by the Chief Justice himself. Here are 5 key takeaways. Number 1, Article 370, the abrogation has been upheld. The Supreme Court held that the President did have the power. There is nothing wrong in the exercise of that power. It's constitutionally tenable. Number 2, the Supreme Court held unequivocally that the Constitution of India, which is applicable to all other states, is applicable in its entirety, in full, to the state of JNK as well. Number 3, the Supreme Court held that JNK, while acceding to India, became subservient. There was no element of sovereignty that JNK has, and that it will become subservient to the Union of India as well as to the Constitution of India. Number 4, the Supreme Court has clearly directed that elections to the assemblies of JNK need to be conducted by no later than September 30th, 2024. That's the deadline that the Election Commission has been given. And number 5, on the issue of statehood, the Supreme Court has not gone into the legality of the reorganization. Instead has said that the statehood to JNK must be restored ASAP.
All right, Ashmit, thanks a lot for getting us all of those important details. But on that note, we're going to wind down in this edition of Business Lunch. Thanks a lot for tuning in. We have Mid-Cap Radar up into.